guys, welcome to another vlog. We are going out for a little impromptu car meet with some of the homies, and I think we got some randoms coming as well. So we're gonna go check that out tonight. Should be a bit of fun. Obviously Matty over there in his FT86. I'm in my extremely dirty JZX 110. Ain't no good time for cleaning. Well, I'd rather I clean it. Princey was gonna drive the S15, but I think his wife would kill him. And I've got Russ riding shotgun with me, straight home from work. Alright, go and have a look. Go out and meet up with everyone at a 7-Eleven, and then we're gonna go and get some coffee afterwards, I think. Coffee? Coffee, my boy?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe?
Maybe.
Maybe. Zarafas?
I'm thinking.
Yeah.
I don't need any more coffee.
Yeah, you do.
Well, you zooming into my face. You weren't.
You want coffee, boss?
Yeah.
You want coffee, mate?
Yeah.
What's everybody need to do?
Eat coffee.
No, subscribe.
Subscribe. Subscribe. It's guys.
I think he's saying something about
I'm
eyes.
subscribing right now.
Oh, you're subscribing now? Okay, thank you.
I'm saying that now.
Yeah, you're not.
I'm subscribing on my video.
Sylvia. Look how clean my car is. Yes. Who needs graphics when you got mud? Oh yeah. Huh?
You can make your own vinyl.
Yeah. He says he's gonna come and clean it.
Can you clean mine?
Yeah. Oh, yours is clean.
Yeah.
Yo, look how clean your rims are.
That was done before we changed it.
Oh. Mate, do you have stockies on the Commodore? Huh? So this, is it VC, VB, V what? VB. So it's a VB Commodore, all the way from Tasmania. But it's actually got an rb25 in it. Pop it. Pop it. We'll get into pop it. But yeah, definitely old school Commodore with BMW wheels, and then a Nissan rb25 in the front. Factory. Do you know what this car is?
What?
Do you know?
Mark 2.
It's not a Mark II. This one, you know what it is?
S15.
S13.
S15? I thought it was an S15.
No, S13.
Japanese writing.
Yeah.
What does that say?
Oh, it's N-Style. It'd be a Nakamura sticker. Remember Nakamura?
But what does it say?
Probably says Abunai.
Abunai. Abunai.
Okay guys, welcome to another morning. Last night car meet was pretty cool. Just continuing on today.
It was at the shops though.
Yeah, the car meet was at the shops. But we're going to go see the guys at the smash repair place and go see when we can get the V35 in there and have a bit of a look around while we're there. So let's head down there. It's a good day, it's a good morning. Alright, so we've just been down here at Cameron's Bodyworks, just having a bit of a chat with the guys about trying to get the V35 in ASAP. They've just been swamped with work. The guys are just really busy all the time, which is a good thing because that shows good quality. But they've got some Mazda on the rack at the moment, so I might be dropping the V35 off in the next few days, and hopefully that car will be straight sooner rather than later, and then Scarlett will hopefully finish the design. You gonna finish the design soon, Scarlett?
Maybe.
Maybe.
I don't know how much.
Well, dealing with designers is always difficult. They just take their time. Yeah?
I just don't know what to do on it.
You just don't know what to do. Okay. Alright. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap the vlog up there, guys. We'll see you guys.
We haven't even done it for long.
Well, we're gonna do another vlog today. Does that sound good?
3 vlogs?
No, just one more later.
No, 3 vlogs in one day.
No, we're just gonna do 2 in one day. Anyway, guys, don't forget to
subscribe.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Throw us a like, share the video around if you like it. But we are going to be talking about tomorrow now, and we're going to get some oil and change the oil on both the 350Z and the JZX 110, and we're going to put the exhaust hopefully on the 350Z and get things happening on that front. So I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye.